What the heck is precision ag? Precision agriculture uses technology like drones, sensors, and GPS to collect data about soil moisture, plant health, and environmental conditions. This data is then analyzed to create detailed pictures of crop performance, allowing farmers to make informed decisions about crop management. By tailoring irrigation practices and optimizing fertilizer application, precision agriculture can improve crop yield and quality while reducing the resource usage and chemical inputs. Precision agriculture can help us farmers reduce our water usage and only apply pesticides and herbicides when necessary, reducing the amount of resources that we need to produce our crop. In the long run, precision agriculture can help us reduce our input costs and continue to stay competitive in this already highly competitive market. So how do you use precision agriculture to help your farm? First things first, you gotta have a soil test and an accurate one at that. That is the most important step in getting good information that we can create good plans of. From there, we use that information to start to build a crop plan and use other tools and implements to better understand our crops, how they're growing, and what they need. Precision agriculture is a promising approach to improving crop yield while reducing costs. By using technology and data analytics, us farmers can optimize our management practices and make informed decisions about crop management.